If you're over 60 and you've started to notice that your legs don't feel as dependable as they once did, if standing up from a chair takes more effort than it should, if walking feels unsteady or you've caught yourself holding onto furniture just to keep your balance, please listen closely because what I'm about to share may completely change the way you think about your legs, your strength, and your future. Today, I'm going to reveal 7 powerful fruits that help rebuild leg strength from the inside out. And the number one fruit on this list is something most people already have at home, but almost everyone is using it the wrong way. Let me start with a quick story. Dorothy is 68 years old. She's a retired school teacher from Tampa. 6 months ago, walking to her mailbox felt like climbing a hill. Her legs felt heavy, weak, almost disconnected, like they belonged to someone much older. Today, Dorothy walks nearly 2 miles every morning with her husband. What changed? She didn't join a gym, she didn't buy expensive supplements, she didn't push through painful workouts. She simply started eating these 7 fruits in a very specific way. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how she did it. I've watched people go from struggling to stand to dancing at weddings to walking confidently again. And one thing has become very clear. What you eat has a far greater impact on leg strength than most people are ever told. In fact, a large study from Tufts University followed over 2,000 adults over the age of 60 for 5 years. The researchers found that seniors who regularly consumed certain fruits had 43% stronger leg muscles than those who didn't. 43%. That's the difference between needing help to stand up and standing up without thinking twice. Now, here's what most people don't understand. After 60, your body changes. Your muscles don't repair themselves as quickly as they used to. Think of your leg muscles like a house. When you're younger, there's a full repair crew fixing things every day. As we age, that crew shows up less often. Muscle breakdown starts to happen faster than muscle rebuilding. This process is called sarcopenia, and it affects nearly everyone. But here's the good news, and this is critical. Your body never completely loses the ability to rebuild muscle. It simply needs the right fuel. And that fuel comes from specific nutrients found in these 7 fruits. Before we begin, take a second and drop your age in the comments. And if weak legs or balance issues have been bothering you, type the word stronger. I read the comments and they help me create content specifically for you. Let's begin. Number 7, watermelon. I know, watermelon doesn't sound like a strength food, but stay with me. Watermelon contains an amino acid called L-citrulline, which your body converts to nitric oxide. Nitric oxide relaxes blood vessels and improves circulation, especially to your legs. Better circulation means more oxygen. More oxygen means better muscle recovery. And better recovery leads to stronger muscles. Studies show that L-citrulline reduces muscle soreness and speeds up recovery even in older adults. 2 cups of fresh watermelon is ideal, especially in the morning or after activity. And here's a little known tip. The white part near the rind contains even more L-citrulline than the red flesh. Plus, watermelon is over 90% water, and dehydrated muscles are weak muscles. Number 6, oranges. Most people think oranges are just about vitamin C, but vitamin C plays a major role in leg strength. Your muscles attach to your bones through tendons, and tendons are made of collagen. Without enough vitamin C, your body can't maintain strong tendons. Oranges also contain hesperidin, which improves blood flow to the lower body. 1 whole orange per day is enough. Always eat the fruit, not the juice. The fiber helps slow sugar absorption and improves nutrient use. Robert, age 72, told me that after 6 weeks of eating 1 orange every morning, climbing stairs stopped feeling like a chore. In his words, it felt like someone turned the clock back. It didn't. Number 5, kiwi. This small fruit is often overlooked, and that's a mistake. Kiwi supports muscle protein synthesis, the process your body uses to rebuild muscle tissue. It also contains compounds that improve sleep quality. And sleep is when muscle repair really happens. Eating one kiwi in the morning and one about an hour before bed can improve sleep and recovery at the same time. You can even eat the skin. It contains extra fiber. Number 4. Tart cherries. Not sweet cherries, tart cherries. They're loaded with anthocyanins, powerful compounds that reduce muscle inflammation. Chronic inflammation slowly eats away at muscle strength, like rust on metal. Tart cherries help stop that process. Frozen cherries or tart cherry concentrate work well. 1 tablespoon of concentrate before bed supports recovery and sleep. Margaret, age 69, told me that after 3 weeks of tart cherry concentrate, she walked through an entire grocery store without stopping, something she hadn't done in 2 years. Number 3. Blueberries. If one fruit deserves the title muscle protector, it's blueberries. They're rich in antioxidants that protect muscle cells and support mitochondria, the energy engines inside your muscles. 1 cup per day is enough. Fresh or frozen, both work. Pair blueberries with a little fat like yogurt or nuts to boost absorption. Number 2. Pomegranate. Pomegranate helps your body clean out old, damaged muscle cells and replace them with new, efficient ones. This process restores energy and strength at the cellular level. Half a cup of seeds or 4 ounces of juice per day is ideal. If you're on blood pressure or cholesterol medication, check with your doctor first. Number 1. Bananas. Simple, familiar, powerful. Bananas provide potassium, magnesium, and vitamin B6, a combination that supports muscle contraction, prevents cramps, and helps your body use protein efficiently. Timing matters. Eat 1 banana about 30 minutes before activity and another within 2 hours after. Slightly spotted bananas are actually better. They're easier to absorb. 1 to 2 bananas per day is perfect. Harold, age 67, sent me a video after 6 weeks of using bananas this way. He was climbing stairs he hadn't touched in years. He said, "I thought this chapter of my life was over." It wasn't. How to put it all together. You don't need to start all at once. Begin with bananas and blueberries for 2 weeks. Then add oranges and watermelon. Finally, introduce kiwi, tart cherries, and pomegranates. Within 6 weeks, most people feel a real difference. Let me remind you, your legs haven't given up on you. They're just waiting for the right support. Which fruit will you start with? Tell me in the comments. And if this helped you, subscribe for more simple, practical ways to stay strong after 60. Your strength isn't gone. It's waiting to be rebuilt 1 fruit at a time.